Hi, this is Sarah with Smith Chevy of Lowell, Indiana. Today we are going to take a look at the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude. This is a four-wheel drive. It has less than 11,000 miles on it. It is in great condition. It has the easy lift and lower gate. Also, a lot of room for cargo. The tires are still in very good shape. And interior is leather, very clean. Again, you can see the back. It has the power windows, power locks, power seats. Also has steering wheel controls, audio and cruise. And the touchscreen controls just about everything from the heated seats and heated steering wheel to navigation, temperature. You could also hook up your phone to that. It is equipped with the rear vision camera. It's a very nice vehicle. Definitely worth a trip out here to check it out. Thank you.